making latik from coconut. It's coconut oil. We call that latik in Filipino. It's delicious and the oil is very useful. Good for your health. You have to take 1 tablespoon every day. See? Smell good. Okay, gracias po Mirar. Ciao. Now it's already finished, my friend. See, the latex already getting red and the oil comes out. And you know what? The oil is, we call that virgin coconut oil. And if you take 1 tablespoon every day, it has a good benefits to our body and it makes our immune system very strong, you know, my friend, especially now that COVID is here. See? And it is delicious. Okay, adios. Gracias por mirar. Ciao, mis amigos.
Mahilig silang makipagsawakan sa laki ng pera na